Okay, so let's say that you are in college and your grade is made up of 3 different things for a science class. The first thing is your test average. And that is worth, we're going to say 50% of your grade. So I'm going to write weight up here. This is, I don't know, the category. What else might be a grade in college? Formative stuff like homework. Homework doesn't count for much in college usually, but maybe a little, so we'll say 5%. Usually there's a midterm, which is a pretty big test in the middle. We're going to say that's worth 15% of your grade. You hate this?
No, midterms.
Oh, midterms. Your final exam, which is worth 20% of your grade.
Whatever the one is, 10%.
I have 10% left. Okay.
35, 40, yeah.
Let's say your labs.
Say some professors do attendance.
Yeah. So what do these weights add up to? 1. They should add up to 100% or 1. Okay. And then, like, let's say this is your score in each one. So let's say that you were doing pretty good on your test, 86%. Your work, you had to really control that one. That's 100%. You're doing that all the time. 96% on your midterm. Doing really good. Had a little bit more trouble with your final exam. Not too much trouble though, 82%. And your labs, 98. All right, now looking at this, notice that 3 of these grades right here are above 95%. Does that mean that this person's going to get an A?
Probably not,
Why not?
because they're not weighted as heavy as like.
Yeah, these tests are half of their grade, and this final exam is 20% of their grade. So what grade would you expect this person's probably going to get? Like a B, B plus?
Maybe A minus.
88, A minus, B plus, B. Okay, so if we get something in there, we're probably right. Anybody have an idea of how we can weight these? What we're going to do with that last column?
Multiply them together.
It is multiply them together. So this is X and W. We're going to multiply these together. So in your calculator, you're going to do each one. Actually, let's do it this way. John, you're responsible for this one. Addie's responsible for this one. This is Charlie and Lincoln and Jocelyn. So John, what'd you get for the first one?
43.
43. Addie? Did you use a calculator on that one? Charlie?
14.4.
14.4. Lincoln?
16.4.
Jocelyn? 19.8.
Oh, no, just give me 9.8.
9.8. Okay. You see how like these are all pieces of your grade adding up together? And that when you add them together, that'll be your final grade? So now you're going to do a final summation.
Pretty spot on.
Yeah.
It's like a high B plus.
What'd you get?
88.6.
88.6. Final answer is 88.6%, which is a B plus. Okay, not so bad. All right, let's do page 74. Your problems actually aren't going to start on 74, but I'm going to add more problems tomorrow. Let's do '23 through '26. '33. And 41 and 42. Okay. I'll add more to it tomorrow.